Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. So before I get the video started, I did want to say please give me a like, subscribe, and follow. Thank you guys all for the previous likes. I haven't checked if I received, the 50 likes from yesterday. I wanted to see if you guys can give me 50 likes on my last video. That way I can release the crypto video, the video that I wanted. But before getting started, I did want to say thank you all for the likes. It's extremely insane that it helps out this much. So if you guys can keep this up, that'd be awesome. Um, well, that being said, let's get the video started. Jesus fuck, this video, that spy dropped so much more than I thought. And just to get it started off in the right foot, I got completely fucked yesterday because I got emotional, and I actually entered into longs without having any day trades left in what is it called? In my Webull account, right? I mean, in my Forex account, I'm fine. I actually have shorts. I shorted in the morning. I should be pretty okay. And to be honest, I actually made up all my losses on my Forex account. But on my Webull account, that's where I'm at. I bought this fucking yesterday at right when we pumped up, and I wasn't watching the news, right? I was at work. I wasn't watching the news, and I actually bought that yesterday thinking that we were gonna, like, the Fed said something and we're gonna pivot or something, and I got extremely emotional and trigger happy. So in one day I lost about 50% of my account on Webull. And it's probably gonna be a lot less at open because we just dumped to 373, and I think yesterday's close was like 375. What was yesterday's close? Closer to, yeah, like 375. Let me see. Let me actually look at the SPY. What was yesterday's close? Oh, 374. So we're gonna be $2. Yeah, my shit's gonna be fucking destroyed. I mean, technically it's still in profit. I started the account with 3K. I think at open I'm probably gonna be only like $500 in profit. I think my account's gonna drop to like under 5K. I'm almost sure. But yeah, yesterday was ridiculous. I really didn't think that we were gonna drop this much, and I thought on a 75 basis point hike we were just gonna maybe stay in range, probably drop to 381 at the lowest, right? I thought that if there was like 100 basis point rate hike, we'd drop to back to 375, right? No, we actually just fucking dropped like crazy and kept running on the low side. So I really didn't think we were gonna drop that much. It's extremely insane, but as of right now, you look like this looks disgusting, man. I'll be completely honest. Like, this looks like you're going back to like 354 in the next like month or so. You have so much room to drop. I'll be completely honest. So much room to drop. If you look at the stochastic, like, you're not even at the 20 level mark on the Stoke. Like, this looks like so much room to drop, and you actually have, on US 30, you still have that divergence playing out almost to the T, right? Like, you have, like, it was essentially the top right here at 32.7, like 80 as a top. Target would be another, from where we are now, right? Target would be another 12% drop, which is pretty ridiculous. I mean, if anything, I'm just gonna switch I'm gonna switch I'm gonna sell out of my longs, and I'm gonna switch to like 350 puts on SPY for like a month out, and just kind of like, cross my fingers, right? But this looks disgusting. This looks really, really, really disgusting. This looks like we're gonna go down like another. To be honest, like, I wouldn't be surprised if we go down to like 330. Like, it just looks gross, right? I'll be honest. This just looks really bad. And you actually already have on the weekly, right? On the weekly, you actually look like you're gonna close another bear trigger. Not this week, possibly next week. It looks gross, man. It looks gross. I wouldn't get out of my longs yet. I'm probably gonna wait to see what happens pre-market. Maybe we do push to the upside. I do think there's a chance that we push back to like 381. At least to retest, because you didn't retest anything, right? You just dropped straight down. You're probably gonna gap. There's still a really good chance of the 8-hour actually recovering. So there's a lot of wiggle room, right? There's a big chance that you can still pop to 380, 372, pop all the way back to like 85 or something. I think there's a really good chance that you can still go back to 385. So I don't think I'm gonna sell my stuff yet. I still have a lot of time on those SPXL calls. So for right now, I'm probably just gonna keep holding on to that and just watching and just trading my Forex account, I think, because I have so much time on the SPXL calls. There's a really strong chance that you actually bounce from here from 372 to the upside. So I think you could actually see, for sure we're going to 372. I'll be completely honest. This looks like you're going to 372. This looks disgusting, right? But you can still see that retest up here at that 385. So you bounce here, come back to like 381, 385, and then have a nasty, nasty, nasty drop. Or you could literally just go from here straight to 330. I'll be completely honest. You could literally just go from here all the way down. For today though, I think you're probably going to 372. I think you'll probably keep dropping to 372 and then bounce up and then maybe have another super dump. So I really only think there's two things that can happen right now, right? You either jump all the way down to 372 and then this is the road back to 381 where you bounce up super high, or you bounce on 372, have like a small bounce somewhere like at 375, and then you dump super hard. But overall today, it looks really gross. Like I'm waiting for some sort of bounce on anything. But as of right now, it does look like you're just going to be trading around this range. Like let me see. Yeah, somewhere around this range. I mean, because I saw Apple, I saw Meta, I saw the big tech like dump super hard. Yeah, you might actually keep. That's the thing though. I don't know how much you can actually drop from here. I mean, if you can forecast this on the fibs, this is going to be a really disgusting drop, like a really gross forecast. Yeah, I mean, you already broke, you know, the one on the fib. Like the next target would be 365. As far as I don't know if you get to 365 today. I don't think you'll get to 365 today, but I definitely think you're going to 372, maybe staying around this range and then dumping. But I do think 365 is going to happen maybe sometime next week. Like it just looks very likely we're going to keep dropping. And there's no reason for me to even think about closing my shorts, right? Forex is still running. I think should be up. There you go. So I mean, I literally just made back all my profit from my Webull account in just like, you know, a couple of hours. So I'm perfectly cool with that. The issue is that, you know, it just sucks seeing your portfolio down like 50, 60% in like a single day. Because I literally took like the worst trade. I bought like up here. And then as soon as actually like right here, I like bought like longs like up here and then see that disgusting drop. Yeah, for today, I don't know. I think 372 is likely. You might bounce up from there and stay within this range like right here. Or so I think you come down and then bounce back to this range, or you come down, bounce up to here, 374-ish, and then you completely die, right? But I think for right now, man, forecast is down. It's just, this is one of the ugliest charts that I've ever seen, right? Like you have a bear, look at that, and it was such a perfect entry on the bear triggers on the daily. Look at that. You would have been in profit so good. Look at that. That's disgusting. You would have been shorting since 385, bro. God, that's so disgusting if you just took this on the daily trigger. And you have a broken trend. Yeah, dude. I mean, at most, like I said, I think at most, you could definitely just come back and like retest up here. Like retest trend, because it looks like you probably should retest. But look at that. 372, bro. You just hit 372. Like this looks like it's not going to stop, to be honest. It looks like it's just going to keep running down hard. But we'll see. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.